My friends, I made a deal with the New Republic. In exchange for the location of these bounties, I can sell any cargo you find from dead ships. Go now and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Made the jump to hyperspace. And good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Only one pilot. Just keep the ship steady, if you can. No engineers. Guess Hunter won't be getting any crates. Enemy scouts incoming. No gunners? Let's hope your pilots can dodge. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. We plan. We'll catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Launching homing beacons now. We can only follow one. Grogu, you pick. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Endor. Good choice, kid. Make the jump to light speed. The Death Star. Our bounty's trying to hide. Pilots, head into the wreckage, but be on alert. It's okay, kid. You're safe with me. They clocked us. Stay on target. You're not gonna make it. That's fine. Grogu, open the hatch. Retrieving the bounty. Now. Time to fly back to it. We're caught in a tractor beam. We have to get out of here. I got you. Let's head out before there's any more surprises. Make the jump to light speed. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Welcome back, Eddie. Great.
We were a little busy, Hondo.
Of course, no problem. After all, we are splitting the bounty credits.
Grogu and I will hand over the pirate to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.